The session is to see the evaluation of expression and infix, postfix expression. Expression means if we want to perform any calculation or to claim a condition by using a set of symbols to perform the task, that makes an expression. Simply we call as a collection of operators and operands that represents a specific value. From the above definition on expression, the operator is a symbol which perform a particular task like arithmetic operation or logic operation or conditional operation. The operands are the value on which the operators can perform the task. Here the operand can be a direct value or variable or address of the memory location. For example, if we want to adding the two numbers, suppose 5 plus 5 means the 5 as a direct value and plus is an operator as it is. So the expression which can follow any direct value and operator, the collection of any direct value or operator combined for performing several tasks, that is called expression. Or variable means, example, a plus b means a is a variable and plus is an operator. So this is the way for given the expression. From this expression there are the three types. First one is infix expression, second one is postfix expression, and third one is prefix expression. Infix expression means the operator is used in between the operand, that is called as infix expression. Suppose if E is an expression with the operator and operand, it is a conventional way of writing E is called infix notation because the operators comes in the operand. So the operand we called as a infix notation. For example, if A plus B means A and B are the operand, two operand, operator means plus is the operator. So in the operator comes between the two operands, that is called infix. Postfix expression. The postfix expression means the operator is used after the operand. That is, we say the operator follows the operand. That is called postfix notation because a compiler can accept an expression and produce the correct code by reworking the expression into a form. So it is called as postfix expression. So for example, if in infix expression a plus b are here, a plus b are here, here the infix, the two is a normal expression, that is called infix expression. In postfix expression, the two operands could be come in first place and operator can be follows from the operand. So it is a postfix expression. Then next one is prefix expression. Prefix expression is the operator is used before operand. So the operand follows the operator. So this is called prefix expression. This is a general structure for the prefix expression. first operator can be placed and operands can be follow the operator. Then next one is postfix expression evaluation using stack data structure. The postfix expression means we have to reading the symbols and reading the symbols is operand and then pushes into the stack. If the reading the symbol operator, then the perform of pop-up operation can be performed. When while reading the reading the symbol operation using operand and push the result back onto the stack. Then finally display the pop-up value as final result. These are the steps follows on the postfix expression. It reads all the symbol one by one from left to right. For example, this is an in6 expression. 5 plus 3 is the direct value to be expressed. So 5 plus 3 into 8 minus 2. We consider first the priority can be followed. So we have to take the parenthesis first to convert the process into postfix. So first, initially the stack is empty, so evaluate is not needed. Then first the value of 5 will be pushed into the stack. Then if any operator means no operator there, then plus the plus value can be pushed into the stack. If it is the operator means it will be pop up, and the next of the third value, the third value can be pushed into the stack. If any needed means nothing to be evaluated. Then the plus one is already popped, so the two values can be added, and when we read the close of bracket, so the two value can be read and set to the stack as 8. Then the into the asterisk symbol can be pushed into the stack. The symbol means the pop-up operation can be popped the asterisk symbol. So it's a initially it can be hold in the reading process, and inside the parenthesis the 8th value can be insert into the stack. Here the 8th value can be inserted. Then next the plus value can be minus value can be read in the initial stage. Then the 2 value can be insert into the stack. So the minus operation within this parenthesis, when we read the close parenthesis, the two operands can be performed that operation. So 8 minus 2 will be displayed as 6. Now 8 and 6 can be stored in the stack in. Then finally the asterisk symbol into symbol can be read initially read the symbol. So the two operands can be multiplied and stored in the stack, that is 48. Now the finally we have to pop up the result and display the result as a 48. So this is the way for converting the infix expression to postfix expression by evaluating the value. So normally we have to insert the value by this method, but by the compiler, the read the value based on this postfix expression and evaluate the value and get the final result. Next thing is infix to postfix conversion. The same postfix evaluation process, similar thing will be followed in the conversion of infix to postfix. We find all the operator in a given infix expression and find the order of operator evaluated according to the operator precedence for based on the priority, and convert each operator into regular type of expression in same order. For example, this is the one of an expression, simple expression d equal to a plus b into c. So the operator given in the expression is equal to, plus, and asterisk into. So the order of operator according to the preference is first priority is into, another priority is plus, then another priority is equal to. So now we convert the first operator, that is into operator. So in between this two operand, we have to convert the infix to postfix conversion. So we have to get d equal to a plus bc into. So this is the first convert for postfix. Another next step, another second priority is plus. So we consider this one is one operand and another this is another operand. So we convert BC into, this whole is considered as a one operand and A is considered as another operand. So two operand, one operator. So we convert the next operator D equal to A, B, C into plus. So postfix notation, for the postfix notation, first the operator follows the operand. So A, B, C into plus. So we get one another. Finally, the whole thing as considered as a one operand and D is considered as another operand. So next step, we convert the operator by the preference of equal to. So it comes D, A, B, C into plus, after again equal to comes behind the operand. So we finally we get the D, A, B, C into plus equal to. This is the final result of a postfix expression. In using data structure, how it can be stored inside the stack. This is an example. The same. This is one of the another example. A plus B into C minus B. So first thing initially the stack is to be empty and push the first parenthesis at the top of the stack and no operations can be performed and A to be insert into the top. So we can be waiting for initial stage, and plus can be inserted into the stack. It is a low priority. Then another B can be insert into top. So the B will be comes under in initial reading. Then after the parenthesis, close parenthesis can be go to the top. So the pop-up operation can be performed, and A, B and plus can be displayed. Now star operator can be enter into the push into the stack. Then open parenthesis can be pushed. Then the variable C can be pushed. It can be read into the initial thing. So A, B plus C can be maintained, and the operator minus can be pushed into the stack. It is a low priority. Then after the operand D can be pushed. Now the D will be stored in the maintain side for the purpose of operation. And when the closing parenthesis come, the pop of all element can be popped till we reach the parenthesis. So CD and minus also will be popped and comes under the maintenance part. And finally the star only placed in the stack. This is also pop the element under the stack. So it will be comes under maintenance part. So finally we get the result as A, B plus C, D minus into. This is one of the example for infix to postfix conversion. Thank you.